YouTube, what is up? I'm back. I'm just gonna go ahead and give a disclaimer. This video is gonna be pretty long, so go ahead and just sit back, relax, and soak up as much information as possible. So for some of you have been watching me a while, but for some of you, this may be your first time watching me. So I'm just gonna just go over everything from start to finish, and I'll try to make it as quick as possible. And I do have my notes here, so we can just keep it rolling. So yeah, guys, so I had a FUE hair transplant done. I had it done on June 4th of 2020. Today is July 27th or the 26th, I don't know. So it's been about, it's almost been about 14 months because it'll be August 4th in a little bit, in a few days. So it's been 14 months, and if you guys don't care about anything else and you just want to see my hair, you can just stop here and I'm just gonna show you guys my hair. So this is the left side. Let me actually adjust the focus. That's the left side. And then this is the right side. Okay. And I'm gonna show the back of my hair, back of my head. Hopefully you guys can see. Okay, and this is with no hair fibers, no anything, just 100% me. And yeah, that's how it is after 14 months. So okay, so yeah, so I went to HRS. Actually, let me adjust the focus again. Yeah, so I went to HRS June 4th of 2020, got the FUE transplant done. It cost $7,000. I did not put any money down. I didn't put any money down. I did financing through Care Credit. So they do 24 months, 0% interest. Make sure, I mean, if you're going to go this route, make sure you have like at least a 700 credit score. Otherwise, I would be prepared to put some money down. My experience with HRS. My experience with HRS was has been positive, very positive so far. Initially at first, when I went in for the consultation, everything seemed kind of like, I don't know, like the vibe I was getting was kind of like Ponzi scheme. I don't know why, like maybe it was just like in my head, but it's because like, you know, they have this office building and then they just take you to all these rooms and like all these videos are playing and all you see all these brochures. But I mean, I get it, it's marketing, but it could come off kind of sleazy. I haven't had much experience with Marshall Boyd. I know he's like the poster guy for HRS, but I would say like the rest of the staff is really good. Just because I didn't deal with Marshall, I'm not gonna say that they're bad or anything. Yeah, so I wouldn't expect to deal with Marshall outside of the consultation. But yeah, everyone else there is pretty knowledgeable. I spoke to like 2 or 3 other doctors. They were very knowledgeable. I spoke to them like during follow-up appointments and stuff, and they were very knowledgeable and just very nice too, like very nice people, and emailed me, make sure I was doing good and everything. So it wasn't just like, oh, let's get this money from him and then kind of just like disregard him after that. Supplements. Now, for the first, like, I would say for the first 11 months, I was taking this saw palmetto, and I just got this off Amazon. I was taking saw palmetto and I was taking a biotin supplement, and I got this just from the grocery store. You can get biotin over the counter pretty much anywhere. And that's pretty much all I was doing. About a month ago, I realized that I wanted a little bit more density. So I told myself, okay, I need to start, because I wanted, if at all possible, I do not want to have to get a second hair transplant. So with that in mind, when the 12 months came around, I was like, okay, I'm not happy with the density. So let me exhaust all my options before I decide to get a second hair transplant. So I started taking minoxidil about a month ago, well, maybe about 5 weeks ago. So I have this men's Rogaine, and I got this from the grocery store. They sell like a 3-pack for like $48, so it's not too expensive. And I also started taking finasteride. So it's about 5 weeks for both. And I got this from Keeps. So you can get this prescribed off Keeps online. You don't have to actually go to a doctor or anything to get it prescribed. And I've noticed like a little bit of a difference since I started taking these, but it's still, I know it's still early in the process. My plan going forward, so I had my 12-month checkup about 3 weeks ago, and I spoke with the doctor and everything, and I told her I had just started minoxidil and finasteride, and she recommended that I get a second treatment, but she told me let's wait about 6 more months because one, I just started the finasteride and the minoxidil, and then she also gave me a free PRP treatment, and she just wanted to see how that would progress over the next 3 to 6 months. And so yeah, that's my plan going forward. I just really want a little more density. I mean, and not to sound negative or anything, but like I'm very happy with the results. Like my hairline looks very natural. My sides are not like as, my sides are not as thin as they used to be. So I'm very happy with the hairline. And honestly, like the density, it's not a huge issue, but I would just prefer to have it more dense. You know what I'm saying? But normally what I do is when I'm going out, I just put in a few hair fibers, like it's really easy, takes a few seconds, looks very natural, doesn't rinse out in the rain or anything. So this is really good. I got this on Amazon for like $14. And honestly, this is I bought 2 bottles, but I'm still on the first bottle, and I bought this in March. So, this will probably, if you use it maybe once or twice a week, may last you 3-4 months, probably more. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. Yeah, my plan going forward is just to hopefully get a little more density here, and yeah, we'll see if I need to get the second hair transplant in. I'll probably do it like December if I do decide to get the second transplant. But yeah, that's pretty much the plan for right now. Keep taking the minoxidil, finasteride, and just see how the PRP does. I really don't want to have to do PRP either, just because like it's a hassle to have to go to the office every month or whatever, because the office is like an hour from my house. Anyways, I would much rather do a second hair transplant than to have to keep redoing PRP every month or every 3 months. I don't know how often you're supposed to do it. But anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Please watch the full video before you ask a question. Probably should have said that at the beginning, but it is what it is. All right, talk to you guys later. Peace.